Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. Feeling very much like throwing caution to the winds. I'm doing some kind of swipe. I'm not sure how this is going to go, but I think I had to be a little more careful than that. And leave my bottles out of the way. So this spatula is my Oxo omelet turning spatula, which actually, once you have a little layer of paint on it from swiping across, works very well to touch up your edges. And I'm really not interested in using too much caution, but at the rate I'm going, I'm going to have to wash my hands. It's very hot out here. I've never done a black stripe at one end and the other end in the middle. I'm also feeling like using some of, let's get that off of there, using some colors I'm not used to using, which would, for me, imply yellow. And if I use enough paint, I'll be able to tip this if I feel like I need to. I've got a wonderful berry from Deco-Art Americana, and I don't think I'm going to do the same colors all the way down. And I may tip this as soon as I get a fair amount of color. I'm just going to keep using colors I love, at least from the bottles that will open. I just mixed this earlier. This was a turquoise that I added iridescent pearl medium to. That is an Art Minds they don't sell anymore. I hope Plaid comes back with it. Being fairly generous with my distribution here of paint. Maybe taking a chance. I still haven't put any of the yellow down I threatened, but I'm going to do that now, I think. We'll see. Probably not the best idea to put it next to the black. Alright, so I must have some pink here somewhere. This is another color they don't make anymore, but you could make this color. If you could make this purpley pink, you could also add golden iridescent pearl fine to it. So, now I have a bunch of things in my way, and I do have, I've got some Prussian blue, and I want to find out what happens with that. That is some super thick stuff. Let's just go all out. I can never get enough of my favorite Purple Flash from Floetrol. I want some lighter blue, and I must have some, oh, you know what? I've got some other color. I've got some white with magenta in it that needs to be used. There we go. What else? Anything else? Maybe a little more purple. And do I want some more blue? Who knows what this is going to be like? I'm just basically indulging myself at this point. Now I could do these one at a time. Or I could just play. I've got a dish of colors that I'm filling up, and I think I just want to play. Let's put some enamel. Yes. Whoops. In the middle. and scrape off my card. Let's put some more and I can go from anywhere I want in here, honestly. Create something completely different than usual. I want some of that white, some more white pearl right there. I'm going to grab a little more enamel, put it up there. I'm still wiping my colors off in my dish. I've got a much thinner swipe card and I think I might want to use it. I think that would be kind of cool. Because I can, sort of thing. I'm just sort of wandering in whatever direction takes my fancy. Ooh, that's interesting. I'm hoping not to annihilate anything totally cool. If this comes out cool, it might be accidental, but it's still cool. So that's black enamel, and I can just use that right there. Squish it down, pull it up. It's a completely whacked out piece and plenty of paint on there, so I could definitely tip it. I think I'm just going to drag through some of those spots where I still see canvas. And the canvas is primed, so I can definitely leave them alone. Chances are I'm not going to do that. And like I said, I could still tip this. And I'm going to have some paint left over to use up. I like these weird marks in here. I wish I had left more of them, honestly. Just going to use the paint that I've got on my card to go right over my edge. And what? And grab a skewer. Fill in some of my little spots because I can, and they make different texture, and I like that. And I can do that pretty much wherever I want. I've got some tremendous cells. I like the lines. The paint is heavy enough so that it will heal itself, I'm pretty sure. That's pretty cool. If I've got paint on my skewer, I can just take the dull end and stick it right in those holes, which I kind of liked until I did that. I like the white. That's pretty neat. Can even blend that little mark. I could also take a straw to this, or a basting brush, or maybe a little more yellow, because I like that spot right there. Yep, there's going to be some blowing. Some exposing of colors. Ooh, that was a good one. Really good. Right where I put those lines seems to be a great place to, I'm just going to stick my finger in there. I like the white spaces, but I like the patterns I'm making just as much. A most extraordinary swipe. The cells are popping. I love exposing the colors. I'm going to have to cover that black with something. This is just beyond fabulous, really and truly. It looks like a garden gone mad. Totally cool. Really out there. And very exciting for me. If you're unaware that you can blow spirals with straws, you should know that. So wow, that is cool. I don't mean to be so impressed with myself, but really. A few anomalous weird shapes is good. And you can just stick the flat end of a skewer in and twist it right around. And anywhere that didn't really totally float my boat, wow. Okay. So I've got a few little spots that I don't actually have to fill in, but I'm going to do it anyway, because I'm OCD. And that is very cool. That is the ultimate abstract garden. I don't know what that is. That's white. All right, I'm going to torch, and I'm going to cover my paint because I want to come back and use it. And that was a seriously awesome swipe. It looks like a garden to me. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, and if I'm lucky, I'll also release the patterns caught in the paint. I want to say thank you guys for stopping and sharing my videos and watching them longer and shopping my Amazon link at no added cost to you, because it helps me out, and I really appreciate that. And I'm going to remember how to do this, I hope. And if I don't, I can watch my video, right? A lot of cells and some great colors. I love the way that turned out. I really do. I might be here for a couple minutes trying to find things that need to be covered. But this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, reminding you that if you want to help support the studio, there's PayPal and Patreon. And should you happen to do that, you can find the icons on my channel header and also on the link tree linked below. And you can find the prizes for any given month on the end screen video. That's the exhibition video. So check that out. You can also find other videos and playlists on my channel. Yes, I'm distracted. And they're organized by genre and by the hundreds. So if you're interested in doing that, I've got a few edges that I need to cover up, but I've got paint that I can use to do that. And the beautiful thing about this is it doesn't matter. Nothing's going to clash because everything is here. I love you guys. There's 87,000 of you subscribed. If you're interested in seeing if Phoenix Rising Priscilla Batzell art is still in existence, and it might be, it has no commercials on it. So feel free to pop on over there. I think I might even cover up my missing edges with some color instead of black. That might be kind of cool. Alright, so I'm going to have to go write myself another crib sheet because I definitely lost the last one. And I'm done messing around, I think. I'm never sure. I'm going to wipe off my swipe card and call it good and tell you guys again how much I love you. And I hope you come again. Check, oh, I shouldn't have done that. Check Facebook groups under the link tree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors. For anybody checking on the YouTube artworks that are edited there, that looks a little canvassy for me. So I'm just going to camouflage it in. I'm sure there's other stuff I'm supposed to be telling you, but I'm really not remembering it. Teespring clothing underneath the video is Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts. And I'm just going to fill that right in. With my fingers. Don't mess with your painting after you torch. Take my word for it, you'll pick up little skins. You won't be happy, but I've been doing this long enough so that I trust myself to get away with it. Whoops, that wasn't right. No harm, no foul. Alright, you guys, take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I will see you anon, maybe tomorrow. I've got some binge-worthy videos. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, impressed with herself again. I'm sorry. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.